Hello everyone, it's Susan. Welcome to my channel today. In this video, I'm going to be working on a collaboration, a challenge from Lorie from Enchanted Dreams 71. The hashtag is oh, I just lost it. It just left my mind. It did. I have it written down. One moment. The hashtag is Enchanted Bingo Collage Challenge. And you can go ahead and click on that hashtag in the title of my video, and you'll be able to see all of the videos that are participating. Definitely head on over to Lorie's channel. I'll have her link below, and she will have everybody's links that are participating. So this is a super fun challenge. I do believe that this one is the last one. She had 15 weeks of this challenge. So you select 5 prompts from the 75 prompts that Lorie provided. And they are something blue, something green, an illustration, pattern paper, and water. So with these 2 pieces of map right here, I have water, I have lakes, 3 different lakes. One of them is green and 2 of them are blue. So that covers 3 of my prompts right there with just these 2. The other one was an illustration. So I'm going to use this napkin, and I have the illustration of the houses. And then pattern paper, which I have right here. I also did pull out a whole bunch of other fun stuff to use. I decided to use this decoupage in matte to get everything down onto the paper. And I'm using a traveler's notebook to work in today. So I'm just going to take some of this, pour it into my little dish, and I have my paintbrush that I use for this, and I'm good to go. So when I decoupage like this, I put a little bit down onto the paper, and then I'm going to put some over the top of the paper as well. So this is the same process that I follow when I use Mod Podge or my Liquitex matte medium. Same thing, I follow the same process. At this point, the water, the blue and the green is down. I think I'm going to add some more pieces on here. And let's get the collaging going here. At this point, that's a good first layer. I will go ahead and add a little bit of this tea-dyed doily, paper doily. So I'll go ahead and get that on here as well. And now I'm going to add a little bit of the pattern paper. And when I put this on, it will actually be very transparent because it's like tissue paper, and when it gets wet, it is see-through. And you know what, before I put this down, which would be the illustration, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this a dry, and then I'm going to put on some paint. So this is acrylic paint by Dina Wakley, and it's called Mineral. I have pulled out, of course, this napkin, this little quote that says, "A dream is where it all begins." I believe this is from Marimy Small Art. And I also have this adorable little die cut of a woman. And so now I just want to figure out placement. The first thing I need to do here is get rid of all these plies on this napkin. Otherwise it bunches up, which sometimes I don't mind that look, but for this, I don't think I want that look. You know what I think I'm going to do? I'm going to just real quickly, and I know I could add water and do this probably a lot neater, but I'm just gonna kind of go with it here. And my fingers are a little sticky, so this is sticking just a little bit to my fingers, but I'm just gonna remove most of this green up on top here. All right, so now I think what I'll do is something like that. I thought I would even look through this bin a little bit. This is my happy box. I had to move it to a bigger bin because it was overflowing. It was. So I'm just gonna see if there's anything from here that I might want to pull in. So I pulled out a couple of things. And let's see. So I'm thinking of so the scale of this woman die cut to the house is is not quite right? So that she's a lot bigger. So that's why I put the houses there, because kind of give the feeling that they're like a little bit further away. And she can go over here, but I'm thinking, and I don't know if I'm going to do this, but let's see, that I have this stuff here, and I was thinking of putting some of that there for like a road. I'm going to do it. Why not? Why not? All right, so I need scissors. Oh, these are my bad scissors. All right, so let's go ahead, and I think what I'll do is I'm gonna grab a little bit of that decoupage and just put a little bit down here because it's going to act as the adhesive. And I don't need this to stick down 100% of the way. I like it where it's like a little loose and, you know, dimensional. But I'm just going to put a little bit of the adhesive or the decoupage in the middle there. Okay, and when that dries, it will not be white. So it'll be okay. And can I add this anywhere? I'm thinking I might need something wider. Let's see what I have. This could be fun. This almost looks like a fence of sorts. Right? Oh, I like that. Let's go with it. Let's get her down first. I wonder if I could add some of this little like cloth leaves on the fence. I like it. The last piece is to add this quote on here. And I think what I'll do is I will cut it. Dream is where, and then it all begins. All right, so I think I'm just going to put it over here. So the last piece is to add a little bit of a border around the quote, just so that it pops a little bit. Now this is not working super well because the decoupage is still a little bit wet. I'm using a charcoal pencil on it, but I don't want to mess up the background. So maybe I'll come in and do a little bit more later, but it looks pretty good. And it's hard to do it over the doily that I have on there, but I think that that looks good. Yeah, I like it. All right, so I am done with my collage for today. So Lorie, thank you so much for hosting this collaboration. And be sure to check out Lorie. Her link is below. And this is the hashtag Enchanted Bingo Collage Challenge. All right, thanks so much, everybody, for being here. Thank you, Lorie. God bless everybody. Bye-bye.